Hello and welcome to this beautiful exercise that will gradually guide you to deep relaxation. Through breathing, you will step by step send right information to your nervous system and become more and more calm thanks to it. My name is Milica and I am a meditation teacher and mentor, and I'm so happy to share this beautiful exercise with you. So let's start. Find a comfortable position. Rest your palms on your knees and face them up in a receiving mode. And when you are ready, just gently close your eyes. We will start breathing exercise through breathing through your nose. So let's go. Take one deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in through nose. Hold it. Breathe out through nose and relax. Breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out and relax. And once again, breathe in through your nose. Hold it, hold it. Breathe out and relax. And now we will repeat the same exercise, but you should take a deep breath in through your nose and breathe out through mouth. Let's go. Breathe in through nose. Hold it. Breathe out through mouth. And relax. Breathe in nose. Hold it. Breathe out mouth. And relax. Breathe in. Hold it, hold it. Breathe out. And relax. And again, breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out. And relax. And now we will do the same through nose. Breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out. And relax. Breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out. And relax. And once again, breathe in through your nose. Hold it. Breathe out through nose. And relax. And now we will repeat through mouth. Breathe in through nose. Hold it. Breathe out through mouth. And relax. Breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out. And relax. Breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out. And relax. And once again, breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out through mouth. And relax. And when you are ready, just gently open your eyes. And your exercise is over for now. You can repeat this few times during the day and enjoy in every moment ahead.